Why saturated markets are great for dispositions and cash buyers. What's up, guys? Zach in here, and most people complain. They say, Zach, my market's saturated. It's terrible. Well, you're forgetting that having a saturated market is actually one of the best ways possible for finding cash buyers. So in this video, in this interview clip, we're going to break down exactly what to do with saturated markets for selling your deals really easy. Before we get into it, guys, remember, you need to smash that like button and subscribe to the most true value from me, and let's get in the video.
Okay. So yeah, your marketing is really good like that. I mean, one thing I can point out here is the best time to be a marketer in wholesaling was yesterday. I remember I used to cold call when I first started 3 years ago out of my dorm room in college, and I would just cold call a high equity list.
Yeah.
I'd make like 12 grand in wholesaling fees a month by myself. And then when Rick started, 2002, Gail was just like, oh, when I started, I had to put a postcard out and get a 20% response rate. Talk to Ron LeGrand, and you just knock on a door, get a deal. So, guys, you might hear like me talk like we're old men over here talking about the good old days, but the best days was yesterday. So in 2 years, you're going to be begging for times like this. So, oh man, marketing, it's always funny hearing about the good old days.
It's true, dude. But the benefit to that, so I think, and I like how you're kind of going here, like, yeah, it's more competitive now and it's harder to get deals. But here's the big benefit to that, dude. And you obviously know this. When you get a deal, and it's so easy to sell the thing for top dollar because there's such demand for deals, whether it's a rehab, a wholesale, a freaking wholesale. Like, dude, I just wholesaled the property last week virtually. This is a $30,000 condo. I'm in contract for $30,000. I'm going to make 24 grand on a double close wholesale deal on a $30,000 property. The ARV isn't even 100 grand. So like the spread is big. And I had a bidding war on that property, and people were begging me for this thing. Like, I literally was on the phone with both buyers and doing a bidding war. So like it's so easy to sell wholesale deals in a competitive market. That is, I would argue, almost better versus having deals be easy to find but harder to sell, because at the end of the day, you're only going to make money when you sell the property, right? So, I mean, that is something I really like about these tough markets that are competitive.
I'm telling you right now, when a real estate market shifts, it's the complete opposite, where it's really easy to get a deal, but selling it's impossible.
Yeah.
That sucks. Oh my
hard.
God.
Yeah, it's super hard.
I've never been Rick, my dad did it all the time. Completely sucks. So you guys are just, it's coming. You guys need to learn the dispo also, but I 100% agree with you on that.
For sure, dude. I mean, nowadays I have a lot of people, like, I do some sales consulting with people, and like, they want like to pick my brain on my disposition process, and they're disappointed when I tell them, like, honestly, I send an email and it sells. And like, that's like literally what I do. And it's like, and that's my market. The other markets might be different, but I've noticed that if you have a deal and there's demand for the deal and it's not in like the middle of the woods, I've actually done deals in the middle of the woods, believe it or not, but you can sell it pretty easily because you are the person, the wholesaler is the one in control. It's not the other way around. I see a lot of wholesalers beginning, they get jerked around by buyers, like they're cash buyer employees, and they're at the mercy of these buyers. And I'm like, dude, like that's not how you do it. You got to be the other way. They're fighting for your deal, not the other way around.
Thank you so much for watching that video today. If you want more free value for wholesaling real estate, remember to smash that like button and subscribe. Guys, if you want to join the best wholesaling real estate mentorship in the planet and join the wholesaling course that has the most people in it in the history of the world for wholesaling real estate, go to freewholesaling.com. It's free. There's no gimmicks. There's no upsells in this course. It is an absolute free wholesaling course. I've been told to charge thousands and thousands of dollars for it. I give it out for free. So like this video and subscribe. Join the movement for wholesaling real estate and go to freewholesaling.com and join my Wholesaling Houses for Real Facebook group. That is the largest mastermind in the country of like-minded wholesaling entrepreneurs who want to get connected absolutely for free and learn wholesaling real estate. Guys, I'll hope to see you there. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a blessed one.